Away from that story, the federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to the protection of freedom of religion and belief, FoRB as a constitutionally guaranteed right and a cornerstone of national unity and peaceful coexistence in Nigeria. The Honourable Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, gave the assurance during a courtesy visit by a delegation from the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, the Kukah Centre, and the Nasrul-Lahi-il-Fathi Society of Nigeria, NASFAT, the Federal Ministry of Information and National Orientation. The minister was represented by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, Ogbodo, Chinasa, Nnam. Speaking on behalf of the delegation, a representative of the NHRC explained that the visit was to formally present reports and a policy brief from the first and second phases of a joint project aimed at establishing effective mechanisms for monitoring freedom of religion and belief in Nigeria. In his response, the Permanent Secretary welcomed the delegation on behalf of the minister, describing them as critical stakeholders in peace building, human rights protection, and interfaith harmony, stressing that FoRB remains central to national unity, stability, and democratic governance.